Hello. Good morning, everybody. It's _Amir. Welcome to today's vlog, guys. Wow, it's such a beautiful day here in the islands of Bahrain, and full of tension. Yeah, but you know, at the end of the day, we keep on moving forward. So, guys, how have you been? All is great on my side. The sun is shining today. It's really hot. It's almost 45 degrees out here. I'm running errands here and there, up and down. Yeah, I'm trying to cross the road here. Let me cross the road, then we catch up. We catch up, guys. Yes, guys. This place that I'm walking, it's called Financial Habour. I'll show you how it looks like. You know, this is how it looks like, and I'm going to cross the road. And this building over here is where I'm going to cross the road. And this is how it looks like, guys. This is called it's called the Financial Habour. Yeah, I just came to run some errands, you know, here and there. Like I've told you guys, I've been busy. I've been busy for the last 1 month. I've been busy. I've been trying to figure out some things. I've been trying also to make some moves here and there, to see if the moves, they're gonna be positive or they're gonna be negative, you know, depending on the outcome. But I thank God, you know, I thank God that everything is going great. And guys, yeah, can you imagine? This is how we cross the highway here. Hey. See, it's like a building, you know, and it's very safe. You know, it's very safe. So crossing the road, you know, you don't have to have tension. You're crossing the road, so it's very easy. It's very easy. Yeah. So yes, see, guys. Woo! Very nice. So you see, this is the highway, and this other side also is the highway. Yeah, you see, this is how it looks like. So I'm going on the other side because I'm going to that building over there. So you see, crossing like this, it's much easier to cross like this. Huh? Oh, I thought I thought my phone, I thought the camera was off. Yeah, I'm saying crossing like this, it's a bit much easier than going there and waiting. And then later, when I finish my errands, I'll show you the bus station or the bus stop. And this is the road, guys. For those who followed me, when I was new, this was the first place that I came. I came in this place. And this is how it looks like. Huh? Amir on a mission. Woo! Yeah. So you see, it's really great, you know, even for kids, for the elderly person to cross the road. It's so easy because you just come, you just enter in the building, and then you cross the road, and here, voila, we are on the other side. I came from that side. You see that side? Yeah, I came from that side. Now I'm on this side. Yeah, and the cars are rolling. Yes, so I'm on this side. So guys, everything has been good. Let me know in the comment section, how are you guys doing? Tell me what you think about this video. You know, leave a comment below and let's engage. You know, it's been a while since you know, the thing about vlogging is when you take time to vlog, when you come back to vlog, you become like now a new person, you know. It's like you're starting all over again. Yeah, because it's like you forget on how to vlog. Hey, see, yeah, this is how it looks like, guys. The trees here, this is what I like about Gulf countries, you know. The good thing about Gulf countries, you know, guys, like I said, they plant trees, you know, even if even if the temperature it's crazy as it is now, they still do plant trees, you know, and they also have green grass. They water the grasses, and it looks really, really amazing. So even when you walk, you know, when you see green like this, you feel, this is nice, this is great. And you see that scooter, that's the scooter that I've always said I want to buy. So guys, let me walk, because I'm going towards that side. I will show you also how they water the grass, because I can see it from here, and carrying these things is very hard. Yeah, I'm seeing they're watering the grass. Let me first show you how they are watering the grass, and then from there I will cut the video. Then after cutting the video, I will get back to you guys after I finish my errands, because still I'm on my errands. So you see guys, yeah, I don't know if you can see this, that is how they are watering the grass. You see? So normally I think they water them during the day. Yeah, during the day when the sun is not that super hot, so that the trees, they can absorb the water. Then during the evening or afternoon, you know, that's where the sun is at its peak, and it's super hot. So yeah guys, yeah, this is the Kingdom of Bahrain. Hey, and then it's called Manama, and then this side is parking. Yeah, so I need to cross the road. The buses are there. Today I will use these buses. The buses are there. So guys, I'll cut this video, finish my errands, then we will continue. I love you all. Thank you for clicking in. Hit that like button. So I've finished my errands. I'm just walking here in the streets, now heading to show you the bus. Yes, I hope guys you are enjoying this video. Please give it a like. If it's the first time you're coming across my channel, consider subscribing. Yeah, yeah, I was crossing, I think, no, 10. I think I can wait for the bus there. Somebody is calling me. Hello? Now I'm crossing the road. Yeah, I had forgotten my ID back there, so the guy was calling me. The guy was calling me to come and collect my ID. So basically the bus station, it's on that side. I don't think I will go all the way because it's really hot. So probably I think I will wait for the bus here, because I wanted to show you. I've been saying I'll do this video for the bus, so it's better I do it now, because maybe if I don't do it, I'm not gonna do it. And actually the bus itself, it's here already. Yeah, the bus itself, it's here already. So yeah, this is the bus itself. Yeah, so guys, this is how the bus looks like. You see, I wanted to take a video to show you. I wanted to take a video to show you how I pay and everything, but you know, I don't know the reaction of the guy, because this is the first time I'm trying this bus. But yes, the seats are standard. Yeah, the seats are standard, as you can see. This is how the seats looks like. They are standard, and yeah, it's comfortable. And I have AC here. Yeah, so the AC is coming. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. I want to show you this building. You see this building? This is called Bahrain Habour. This building over there, it's called Bahrain Habour. It's like the iconic town, or the iconic building of Bahrain. basically this is how the bus looks like. And I have paid I've paid 300 fils from here, from Panama, and I'm going to a place called Juve. So I paid 300 fils. I didn't know it's that cheap. So as you know, in Bahrain, one dinner equals to 2.65 US dollars. Yeah. So 300 fils, I'll calculate and I'll put it up here. You will see it up here. How much it is 300 fils. And that is Bahrain Habour. That's the building that I'm telling you. You see this building here? Yes, that is iconic building in Bahrain. It's called Bahrain Habour. So it looks like. It's amazing, and it has routes. So if you wanna go somewhere before you board the bus, you need to check the route of the buses. So apparently, the bus that I'm using is number 42. So number 42, it will take me to my destination, but it will go through multiple places. Then the final place is my destination. Let me show you guys. See, that one is Bahrain Habour, and down here is a mall. Yeah, you see, it's Bahrain Habour, that one. And this is a mall, and that's Sheraton. It's beautiful. It looks nice. It's called Moda Mall. I've never been there before. Maybe someday I will also try to visit when this tension will go down, or it will be finished. For sure I will visit there. But it's a very beautiful place, and guys, outside is very hot, as you can see. You know, as you can see the way it looks like, it's really hot. So you cannot even walk for like long distances. It's hard to walk long distances. And here, as you can see there, people are waiting. So people are waiting for the bus. So they will come in, and there is a card. Apparently there is a bus card that you just tap. But if you don't have the bus card, like me, you just pay. Yeah, so that is it. Oh, I can see there is some accident over there. Hey, a very tricky situation there. Oh no. Oh, tricky situation. That's another bus, as you can see. Please guys, give this video a like. Leave a comment below, tell me what you think about it. You see, that's another bus also going to another route. This is a Talabat driver. You can imagine how this guy feels with this heat. It can be a bit crazy, but yeah, amazing. You can see there a very serious machine over there. Very serious machine. Guys, we are in tough times really, and yeah, keep us in your prayers. We are in really tough times. Yes, so let me enjoy the ride, and then I will show you the rest of the way as the bus continues to move. Just still on the way. So guys, I highlighted the bus. That was the bus ride. It was amazing. I'm here walking. Yeah, nice beautiful trees. Yes, such a very beautiful place. Wow, the sun is so hot, I'm telling you. Yeah, even my camera is becoming hot. Yeah, the camera is becoming hot, but I'm not complaining. I'm just moving along with it. So guys, yes, I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Yeah, for those who are joining now, my name is Amir, and on YouTube it's _Amir. please give this video a like. If it's the first time you're coming across this channel, kindly consider subscribing, because that's the best way of supporting me. Yes guys, so I'm heading. I want to end this video here. Thank you all. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.